Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am sorry that I had to interrupt the course in the middle of a game. However, while I was recording the course, I was using Unity version 5.6. In the meanwhile, Unity has released a new version, which is called Unity 2017. And in order to make sure that everything works fine for you as well, even if you are using the new version, I decided to update Unity. And that is something that nobody should be scared of doing as well. Unity is not going to mess up your project, it's not going to delete your project, no key features are going to be removed or something, so updating is really a good thing to do. However, I would still advise you to back up your project folder before you update anything. I also did a fresh operating system install, so I had to back up my project anyways, and I'm going to re-import it right now. It's located right here, and my Unity projects directory is located in the E drive. It's right here. However, it might be on a different location for you. You decide where this folder is when you install Unity. So right now it's empty and I'm going to simply drag and drop it into this folder. I'm only doing this re-importing because I did a fresh operating system install, and if you simply updated Unity without anything else, you should be able to skip this step and your Unity project should be right here where you left it. So now that we have re-imported it right here, let's go ahead and open up the new Unity. We can see that it automatically located our project. However, if it didn't, there's also no need to worry, because we can open it up manually by clicking this Open button. Find your folder, click on the project and click on Select. We are going to get a warning saying that our project was last opened using Unity 5.6, and the new version that we are trying to use for this project is 2017. We can just click continue and Unity should be able to open our project without any trouble.